Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, in last class we learned the lesson number 12, right? We were doing the revision for the lesson, right? Yes, did you all write it, children? Did you all read along with me? Are you all doing that? Are you all reading? Very good. Today we are going to revise the notes. Take out your EVS classwork, children. Take lesson number 12, hard words. First Roman letter, hard words. First one, safety. SAFETY, safety. SAFETY, safety. SAFETY, safety. Say along with me, children. SAFETY, safety. Second one, candle. CANDLE, candle. CANDLE, candle. CANDLE, candle. Third one, grown up. GROWN hyphen up, UP, grown up. GROWN UP, grown up. GROWN UP, grown up. Fourth one, knife. NIVES, KNIVES, knife. KNIVES, knife. KNIVES, knife. Fifth one, scissors. Scissors. SCISSORS, scissors. SCISSORS, scissors. Sixth one, sockets. SOCKETS, sockets. SOCKETS, sockets. Next, seventh one, zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. ZEBRACROSSING, zebra crossing. ZEBRACROSSING, zebra crossing. Next, eighth one, footpath. Footpath. FOOTPATH, footpath. FOOTPATH, footpath. Ninth one, sharpener. Sharpener. SHARPNER, sharpener. sharpner, sharpener. sharpner, sharpener. 10 to 1, cross. cross, cross. cross, cross. Yes, did you all read along with me? Have you all written the spellings correctly, children? Did you all check it? Yes. If you have made any mistake, write it correctly now. Okay? Yes. When you read only, you can know the correct spellings. Okay? So you have to read so many times. How many times you have time, you can read. There is no restrictions for reading. Okay, children? We can revise the same lesson 1,000 times also. Will you all do it? 1,000 times. No? Yes, we can do it. Okay? And you should also write. Okay? Reading and writing is very important. Okay? Yes. Second one, jumbled words. So I gave you this as homework, right? Did you all write it? No? Okay. So what we are going to do is, we are going to write the jumbled words. We are going to find out the correct word, right? First one we have already done, right? F-I-R-E, fire. Next one. What are the words? E-S-U-L-R. What will be the word? If you read the whole lesson, you can guess the correct word, right? So letters start with R. So R. Then U L E S. What is it? Rules. Yes. Next, third one, the letter starts with S. What is it? S H A R P. Sharp. What is it? Sharp. Next, last one. What is it? O-R-S-S-S-E-S. What is it? The word starts with C. C-R-O-S-S. Cross. So, children, if you read the lesson, okay? If you read the lesson and if you know the correct spelling, then only you can write the correct words, right? If you don't know the correct spelling, you cannot write, correct? Yes, no? If you don't know the spelling, you can write the correct word. No. So, first we have to know the spellings. So, what we have to do for that? We have to read the lesson. Okay? Whatever subject. It can be English, it can be EVS, it can be Maths, it can be Hindi, or it can be Tamil. Whatever be the lesson, you should know to read it. Okay? You should read a lot. Okay? You should enjoy reading. You should not read, oh my God, she is telling me to read. Like that you should not do. you should read with full happiness. If you read with full happiness, it will be in your mind forever. Okay, children? So these words, I have learned in my small age. But still I can remember these words, right? Because I learned with passion. I learned with joy. Oh, superb. I learned like that. Okay. So you should also read like that. Will you all do it, children? Very good. So in this lesson, we have revised the hard words and jumbled words. Have you all written the answer the following for this lesson, children? Yes? Okay. So, what are the questions there in this lesson? Where we should follow the rules? Where we should follow the rules? We should follow the rules inside and outside our house. We should not hurt ourselves and we should not hurt others also. So we should follow the rules inside and outside, everywhere. At your home, at your school, when you are playing with your friends, when you are going to your relative house, wherever you go, you have to follow it. Okay? So, children, rules are very important, right? Now we are following the rules, right? We have to wear mask wherever we go. We have to wash our hands. We have to sanitize. So these are the rules that we are following it now. But we have so many rules before, right? We have to cross the road in the zebra crossing. We should not run on the road. We should look both the sides before crossing the road. Yes? We should not run and catch a bus. Yes? So, these are the things that we should not do, right? Yes. When you go to your friend's place or your relative's place, you should not waste food, right? You should not waste food. You should not hurt them. You should not pull or push or fight with the person, your friend or whomever it can be. So you should not do anything that hurt others, right? Yes. So we should follow the rules everywhere. Okay, children? Second, what are the rules we should follow outside the house? So we have to cross the zebra crossing, cross at the zebra crossing. We have to look before crossing both the sides. Yes, before crossing we have to look both the sides and then cross the road. And we should not run on the road. We should not run and catch the bus. Okay, we should not catch the bus which is moving. Okay, we have to wait for the bus to stop and then we have to get in. Okay, so you should not run and get into a bus, or you should not get out of a bus when it is running. Okay, you have to wait for the bus to wait at the bus stop. Okay, whatever be the distance, you have to wait for the bus to stop in the bus stop and then only you have to get down. And there is a specific path, right? Footpath given, right? You have to walk in that path only. Okay, children? So these is the questions that is there in this lesson. So we have completed revising the lesson number 12, right? So next class we will see with a new lesson. Okay, children? Until then, Be safe at home and enjoy. Thank you. Sai Ram.